I'm going to be taking you through the hardware overview of the fire and smoke alarm system. This here is MP2 gas sensor for detecting gas leakage. Here you have the flame sensor for detecting flame. You have the LCD to display a message to you. Here you have the Arduino Nano microcontroller, which houses the instructions. Then on this side you have a potentiometer that helps regulate the contrast of this screen. They have the buzzer, which sounds an alarm after any of these conditions are detected. Alright, I'm going to be demonstrating the fire and smoke alarm system project for you. This is a gas sensor like I mentioned earlier. I'm going to test for gas leakage. And also the flame sensor, which tests for fire. Also attached below the screen is the documentation for this project as well as the code for the project. Also do well to follow us at nodex.io and visit our website at nodexio.com. Thank you.